Good morning, friends. Just want to do a quick video, market and trade idea software here. Got a bit of a downtrend with some bad news from banks recently. However, that never stops there from being a few stocks at least strong. We got Sentinel One coming off of earnings here, post market of yesterday. Gap up. We're curling a little bit now, but early on, it was trying to break away a little bit, or so it looked like. I set a price alert, kept setting those price alerts off, but I decided to be patient. Let's wait. Let's let the setup come to us. And obviously, as of now, the setup hasn't come. But with Trade Idea software, get the link directly to IBKR or E-Trade and trade rate from the charts. Also, if you're on the newer side of trading, we have a simulator. You can connect to that, practice your trading. And again, all this, I can trade right off of the charts with those options here. And I could set let's say a limit order, a stop buy. And we could set that up to buy triggered here, and it come in with some different stop losses and targets that we can set up ahead of time. And if we get the trigger and we get the buy, these exit orders would then become live. And I can update those exit orders right there on the charts if I like, move them up or down, whatever we feel comfortable or we feel is right for the trade. This is one of the ways that trade ideas can help you not only generate ideas, but to add different types of risk management into those ideas, because in the end, that trading is always just about risk management. It's not just a buy and a sell, but why we buy, why we sell, and how we manage once we are into those trades. All right, thanks for watching, friends. Hopefully you stay green, and we'll catch you later.